शेर की जुबानी सुनिए शेर की कहानी, यहाँ रैप नहीं होता, तेरे वहन को भगा दी लड़कियां नगाड़ी, अपनी अलग ही आबादी, असल रैप का ये ज्वाला तेरे आत्मा में जगा दी, क्योंकि फर्क है हाँ तुझे छेड़ने की तलब है, तू नकली वारा मर्द मर्दांगी पे कलंक, हैवानियत की शक्ल, जिसे तुझ में गर्मी उससे ज़्यादा गर्म मेरा कलम, क्योंकि क्यों इतना बेशरम। वेल भाग 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 आया शेर आया शेर। Thank you so much. While the entire nation is dancing on the tunes of Gully Boy, we have AKA MC Sher and Siddhant Chaturvedi with us. Thank you so much for talking to Republic TV.
Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
And I just tried to rap. थोड़ा cool लगने की कोशिश कर रही थी मैं.
नहीं आप cool हैं.
Thank you so much.
Cool था वो rap.
Oh, thank you. Okay. I have an alternative career option. Thank you so much. Yeah. Starting with, you know, Siddhant, you were not a part of promotional activities. But, you know, after the release of the film, everyone is praising you for your work in Gully Boy. How are you handling this overnight success?
I'm very happy. Very emotional moment for my family. They have been throughout my struggling days. And now, you know, and it's still like there's so many other things. I mean, I'm really happy. The love the fans are showing, the people around, they're relating to MC Sher so much, and that's, I think I'm glad. I think I feel like the job well done right. Yeah, so I'm very happy.
Well, normally it is said luck by chance, and I think it worked for you. I would really love to know your story. How, you know, you were dancing in the party and Zoya saw you and.
So yeah, it was kind of a luck by chance moment, of course, but luck has to be backed up by hard work. So yeah, I mean, I was at a party inside a success party. Zoya was there. I was dancing on a Govinda song, and she saw me. I caught her attention, and then I danced with her. I don't know what I was thinking, because when I dance. So I danced with her, and she was, I think, quite impressed by that. And then she asked me, "Who are you?" I was like, "I'm an actor inside Edge." She's like, "No, I haven't watched it." I was like, "Okay, no problem. Hi, ma'am. I'm Siddhant." And she's like, "Yeah, I'm Zoya Akhtar." I'm like, "Of course. I mean, I know." And she's like, "Yeah. So, are you from Bombay?" I was like, "हाँ बच्ची अपनी इधर से ही है." Because of course I knew Gully Boy was happening, and that it was very spontaneous. I just said it in the moment, and then she's like, "Oh, I would like to audition you." And then the next day, Nandini Shrikant, the casting director, she called me for an audition. There were lines, and then I was told to memorize a rap, which I couldn't in one night. Overnight you can't just memorize a rap. There's a flow, there's a, you know, so I wrote my own, you know, about my own struggle, and then I just prepared it. I went and I just did my audition. I got a call next day. I was sleeping. I picked up the phone and she's like, "Hi, this is Zoya Akhtar." I'm like, whoa. And then she's like, "Okay, yeah." It's like I still, you know, still thinking that, oh shit, if I'm, you know, sleeping or am I dreaming? Then she's like, "Okay, I'm sending you the script. If you like it, I would love to have you on board." So this is what happened. And then of course the producers, Ritesh Sidwani, so he had you know, shown faith in me since Inside Edge. So he was there. Like, of course I was too young to play Sher. I'm 25 years old. I had to play 28, and seeing Inside Edge, nobody would cast me in Gully Boy as Sher. But of course it's the producers, Ritesh sir, he had faith in me. And then and Zoya Akhtar, Nandini, and then I just went and I just did what I had to.
Well, I saw you in Inside Edge and you were quite lean. Yes. You were quite lean, and you know, I never thought that you will play MC Sher. And when I spoke to Zoya, she was like, "Oh, it's good that I haven't seen Inside Edge. Otherwise, I would have thought that, you know, he will fit for the role." So how was that transformation? The physical transformation was quite.
No, so when Zoya met me at the party, I was still very lean and lanky. But yeah, it's a visual faculty, something I think she saw in me, and then she wanted to audition. And see, going for an audition is okay, like everybody has. But yeah, I mean, I put my heart and soul into it. I did whatever I could in one night, memorizing the rap and doing the lines. I was up all night doing it, and then I straight away went in the morning to audition for it. In my, you know, I was wearing those hip hop kind of clothes. I felt I'm like a wannabe, but then of course, because it takes time to, you know, get into the vibe of it. पहले एक दिन मैं अचानक start wearing loose clothes and I felt wannabe, was not feeling it. But then of course it's Zoya and Rima. The way they had written the script, it's very easy for me. It was a very easy journey to get into the head of the character. So that's her visual faculty. That's their vision. Ritesh Sidhwani, Farhan sir, to have faith in me, and you know.
But how much you had to gain weight for playing MC Sher?
There was nothing as if like I want to gain weight or something. It was more of the very demeanor, you know. It had to be huge. So there was no aim or कि मैं अभी जिम जाऊँगा और मैं इतना. I just was eating a lot. माँ के हाथ की खाना खा रहा था मैं, घी में बहुत खुश हुई मम्मी. So and also I was doing a lot of weights because I had to kind of bulk up because शेर है तो लगना चाहिए शेर, and I had to look older to Ranveer. So that was very much required for the job. So that's okay.
You told us that you have written a rap, the first rap for the audition. Can you just, you know, croon some lines?
Yeah, okay. Line me.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay, here it goes. You know, MC Sher. बचपन से बेचैनी थी कि जीतूं हर बाजी में, भागा दौड़ा तोड़ा फोड़ा डूबा मन मर्जी में, जाने कितने साल से मैं बिना काम के मैं करता रहा खुद पे मेहनत जी जान से मैं. आती जाती ऐसी शोहरत की ज़रूरत नहीं मुझे, थोड़ी मोहलत थी मगर ज़्यादा फुर्सत चाहिए मुझे. सब्र करके सबक सीखा, सफल बन के सब तीखा, सफ़र करके चमक देखी यहाँ कैसे का, सीखा जंगल का तरीका मैंने भेड़ियों के बीच में बन के सॉलिड हीट में, तन के इनके भीड़ में करके सबको ढेर में, जख्मों के लहर में बन के निकला शेर में.
Oh my God. But you know, जानना चाहूँगी जब इतने लोग आपके पीछे भाग रहे हैं, people have started following you, making memes and all. आप बाहर निकले सड़कों पे, फिर भाग आया शेर सब चिल्लाएंगे.
इससे भागेंगे ना.
But कैसे how are you dealing with this success, you know? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा.
हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है. सपना देखा था. I had dreamt of it every single night. Every morning I used to wake up and like अपना time आएगा. And it has happened. Whatever I dreamt of, as you know, it's the realization is happening. So I'm very happy. I'm at peace more. You know, there's peace inside my heart that okay, chalo. Now I'll be able to, you know, the life is a little easier. At the same time, it's tough, but it's a beautiful, challenging kind of a way. But tab to, you know, the whole future was in like what will happen, and I was very certain that I want to do something impactful in my first film. So that I made things difficult for myself actually initially, because then I could have done anything, but I just wanted to wait for that one script, and this was it. And now I'm really glad that this is happening and I'm at peace.
But also, you know, after the release of the film, कितनी scripts अब तक आपके पास आ चुकी है और कितने producers आ चुके हैं?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. काफ़ी कॉल्स आए टू अप्रिशिएट माई वर्क, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले हैं. पूरी इंडस्ट्री काफ़ी सपोर्टिव रही है इस चीज़ को लेके. और आगे अभी स्क्रिप्ट्स देख रहा हूँ, मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ कुछ. आई नीड समथिंग सॉलिड, आई नीड समथिंग टू यू नो बी एबल टू यू नो इन्वेस्ट इन. सो या दैट्स
अपनी फिल्म आएगी.
अरे आएगी, बिल्कुल आएगी.
बट यू नो आई हैव टू आस्क दिस, पहली ही फिल्म में मिस्टर बच्चन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट पाना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. व्हाट वाज योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन जब आपके घर पे वो बुके और वो लेटर डिलीवर हुआ?
मैं तब घर पे था नहीं. मेरी मम्मी थी और मेरी मम्मी ने शी इज जंपिंग, शी कॉल्ड मी, क्या हुआ मम्मी ने, क्या हुआ लाइक क्या हुआ, रिलैक्स, अमिताभ बच्चन, लाइक व्हाट. और आई वाज इन अ मीटिंग एंड आई जस्ट स्टूड अप एंड एवरीबडी इज लाइक क्या हो गया इसको, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओह माय गॉड, दिस इज़ क्रेजी. एंड इट्स क्वाइट इमोशनल. मेरे डैड ऑफिस छोड़ के घर आ गए और इट्स बीन क्वाइट एन इमोशनल मोमेंट फॉर अस.
You know, you played a mentor to Ranveer in the film. क्या एक्सपीरियंस था रणवीर के साथ काम करना?
बहुत प्यारा, बहुत खूबसूरत इंसान है वो. जितने अच्छे एक्टर है उससे ज़्यादा अच्छे इंसान है वो. He made me so comfortable. He was kind of my MC Sher, you know, because I was inexperienced, first film, so he helped me a lot. And it was fun, yaar. He's an amazing person. He's a funny guy. He's jolly, makes you happy, and what an actor. I mean, when I saw him on screen, I had tears in my eyes. You know, I could totally connect to Murad because I felt that. So yeah, he's a beautiful person.
We can say this is your अपना टाइम आएगा मोमेंट, you know.
हाँ, अपना टाइम आएगा और टाइम आते रहेगा. अभी नहीं टाइम अभी आया नहीं है, आते रहेगा. जिस दिन लगेगा मुझे कि मेरा टाइम आ गया, उस दिन मेरा टाइम आ गया.
Oh my God.
जी, so time आता रहेगा and it's quite deep that line actually.
I would really like to know how did you prep as in rappers के साथ आपने sessions लिए, क्या exactly आपने सीखा, the lingo, the swag, the style, how did you prep?
प्रेप रैपर्स के साथ मैंने चिल किया बट इतना ज़्यादा नहीं. इट वॉज मोर ऑफ इंटरनल टू लुक इन टू माई सेल्फ एंड री इमेजिन माई कैरेक्टर एज शेड. सो आई री इमेजिन माई होल लाइफ एज इफ आई वॉज अ रैपर एंड यू हैव द लिबर्टी टू डू दैट इफ यू नॉट प्लेइंग अ बायोपिक. सो आई री इमेजिन माई लाइफ. आई स्टार्टेड writing raps about whatever events have happened, about love, about things I see around. So I started living like one, and it was more internal, and lingo it came very handy because I mean I'm from Bombay, Goregaon में रहता हूँ मैं. तो it just came handy, and everything else was just of course it was Zoya and the way it was written also. So it was, yeah, I mean it was there. It's a part of my job. आप काम करिए, मैं काम करें. Yeah, they were throughout there. I mean, they of course they used to help us a lot. MC Altaf shout out दे रहे, क्या भाई. राहुल पिस्की अपने डॉग्स म्यूजिक के काम भारी भारी काम ले लो जानकारी. So these people were like throughout the shoot. They helped us a lot. And D Evil मेरा भाई जिसने मुझे rap battles में काफ़ी help की. धवल. And yeah, so these are the people who were like brotherhood बन गया था एक तरह से. और जब मैंने अपना rap सुना तो you know I kind of earned respect. You know, they were like अरे शेर भाई तुम. और मुझे शेरी भाई बुलाते हैं वो लोग, सिद्धांत नहीं बुलाते. So that was something कि हाँ चलो पहला step तो clear हो गया कि at least they are convinced that I am. You know.
What kind of roles are you looking for?
So the roles I was looking for were very conventional initially. You know, when I was prepping, I was, you know, जब मेरे पास काम नहीं था तो मैं अपनी पूरी तैयारी कर रहा था. डांस, मार्शल आर्ट्स, वो काफ़ी कन्वेंशनल चीज़ें की थी और जिस चीज़ की तैयारी की थी वो हुई नहीं अभी तक. So ये जो चीज़ें थी, जैसे क्रिकेट, मुझे क्रिकेट में इतना देखता नहीं हूँ तो बॉलिंग करनी थी, तो दैट वाज अ चैलेंज. एंड देन रैपिंग, समथिंग विच आई नेवर थॉट. और मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में एक भी रैप सॉन्ग नहीं था. सो ऐसी चीज़ें आएंगी तो आई थिंक आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू मोर ऑफ समथिंग सरप्राइजिंग, बट ऑल्सो आई एम वेरी ओपन टू डूइंग कन्वेंशनल थिंग्स बिकॉज आई मीन आई हैव ग्रोन अप वॉचिंग दोज थिंग्स. सो एक्शन, फाइट, ड्रामा, रोमांस, कॉमेडी सब करेंगे भाई, अभी बहुत टाइम है.
Well, it was lovely talking to you, Siddhant. All the best. Of course, people are loving you. आपने गर्ल्स को तो बता ही दिया आप गोरेगांव में रहती हैं, तो अगर वो आपको स्टॉक करे तो we can't help. But for sure, all the best. Thank you so much for talking to us. With camera person Mayur, Ankita Tiwari, Republic TV.